Lots of sewers use large washers as pattern weights. A few years ago, wrapping the washers in various kinds of fabric to make them pretty was a thing. I use bias tape for mine. I'd like to show another way to give the washers a little pizzazz. Here's what I used. A box of washers available from your home improvement store. The 3/4 inch measurement refers to the hole in the washer. The washer is about 2 inches in diameter. A set of alcohol inks available in the scrapbooking department of your craft store. An alcohol ink applicator, probably right next to the inks. And heavy-duty glue. First, I glued 2 washers together to make them heavier and waited a few hours to let the glue dry. When the glue was dry, the washers were ready to be inked. Inking the washers couldn't have been easier. The applicator has a base, a handle, and pieces of felt. I put the felt on the base of the applicator, which has Velcro to hold it. Then I put several drops of the alcohol ink on the applicator. I used 2 colors in a random arrangement. Next, I just pounced the ink on the washer until it was completely covered. When the first side dried, I inked the other side and the edges. And that's it. I could have stopped there, but I was never one to leave well enough alone. Plus, I was concerned about the ink wearing off as the weights were used, so I added a glossy dimensional sealant. You can get Mod Podge Dimensional Magic or Glossy Accents at your craft store. I ran a bead of sealant around the weight and spread it with a toothpick. If any air bubbles appeared, I popped them with a pin or moved them to the edge of the washer. Some of the bubbles refused to go away, and I just left them. I had so much fun with this project, I made more weights than I actually needed. Luckily, these make a handy gift for a sewing friend. To add to the gift presentation, I bought an inexpensive, unfinished wood box and painted it with acrylic paint. I experimented with putting decorative paper on the washers with decoupage medium. The result was okay, but using the alcohol ink was faster and easier. If it turns out the ink isn't permanent enough, my next batch of weights will be decoupaged. I enjoy crafting, and this was a quick and easy project to do between sewing projects. I'm happy to add these weights to my collection of sewing tools.